Hi, this is Jaylene from WTI, and this Anua cleansing oil helps me to achieve clear skin.
If you're someone like me who uses makeup on a daily basis, or maybe you wear sunscreen, you're going to want to use an oil-based cleanser to remove and get a deep cleansing of your skin. So here I am wearing makeup and I'm just making sure I'm rubbing the oil cleanser well into the face. You want to make sure you rub it in for about 30 seconds, and you want to even give yourself a face massage while you're at it. The oil is also lightweight and it has a very light floral fragrance, which I love. This cleanser is also great at removing any blackheads that you have on your face. Now once you're done, you're going to want to rinse it all off with some warm water. And I'm really happy with the result. My skin feels really great.
So this Anua cleansing oil really helps to brighten up your skin and make your skin feel a whole lot cleaner. And that's my point of view.